guys, back now to the vlog. So we are here at Vincom Plaza and I'm going to give you a quick mall tour as to what you can see here in Vincom Plaza here in Da Nang, Vietnam. So I'll just pan the camera over and let's go inside. As far as I can say, so far so good. It has some main stream brands. There's Tommy Hilfiger, Sunny Studios, and Charles & Keith. And of course, Adidas. It's kind of giving me a bit of, not really like a SM Supermall vibes, but the new mall in Green Hills. That's the mall is kind of giving me, but more hip and perhaps more sound. I mean, like more people. So there's Pedro, there's Lynn. This is actually quite of a new brand of bag and shoes that's been coming out recently. Of course, MLB. There's also H&M. I'll try to go ahead and go to different parts of the mall and go to the second floor and see what else is in store. We are pretty much planning to eat. So I don't know if it's going to be here or we'll try Central Market later on tonight. As for the moment, yeah, perhaps a bit of a snack while we're here. It's more lively. So there's a couple of brands that I'm not quite sure of. There's SUV, which is not quite familiar with. There's also a Russian brand of shoes. I think those are for men. And there's a Winmart. Actually, I'm planning to go there sometime soon. That kind of is like, I think like a department store. It has everything in it. A bit of clothing, a bit of household items that you want to like have supplies. So let's go to level 3. There's only 4 levels. I think the 4th would be for food. So the sectioning of this mall is not exactly, you know, like this specific floor for women, and then the next one would be for men and for children. It's pretty much combined in each floor, which is good. Hobbyverse. I might want to take a look around here later on because there's a couple of pop marts. So I think since this is a tourist spot, we have a lot of sale for luggages as well. And here there's also an arcade. So let's go to the 4th floor, which is the last level, and yes, it is correct. It is for food. And actually there's a familiar place that I've just noticed. Yeah. So there's Jollibee. Coffee. So pretty much this is mainly for food. The floor is mainly for food. As I've said earlier, we are planning to at least grab a bite here just for a snack perhaps. So try to look around and see what's the best place to have a bit of a snack. Maybe got some option too. So there are actually a lot of options. There are a couple of Thai restaurants. As you've noticed, there's also fast food. But what we would want to find is perhaps a Vietnamese authentic snack that we can do. So we just need to make sure that we look into the menu and see what we'll find. It's also nice that I can see that there's a massage chairs. So I think that's it for Vincom Plaza. We'll try to walk around, have another go at this floor and see what snack we can do for this afternoon. But so far so good. Quite straightforward, and you can get whatever you need to get here if you go to Vincom Mall. So I'll perhaps see you in the next video. Bye!